daily tropical weather update. I know it's been a while. I know it hasn't really been daily, but we're bringing it back to daily. Here's a look at the world. One system active right now. Tropical storm Isaias. I'm so sorry I can't pronounce it. Unpronounceable. But that's the only system in the world. Here's a look at the Atlantic Ocean. 93L, invest 93L, down from 60% chance. We've brought that down to 30% chance. Its window of opportunity kind of dwindled out. Isaias, we'll talk that more on the next slide. Here's Isaias location 9.9 north, 71.2 west, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour, middle pressure of 999 millibars, and max sustained winds of around 16 miles per hour. Here's the current last use forecast track, bringing this to a Category 2 nearing landfall in Florida. But first of all, I do want to point out this is not an official track from the National Hurricane Center. This is only our prediction, but this is the official last news track, I guess you could say. But we do bring this into pretty much a little bit of rapid intensification. 80 miles per hour probably by tomorrow, maybe by noon. 90 miles per hour definitely by Saturday, maybe even by Friday night probably, and 100 miles per hour by Sunday into Monday, still with those 100 miles per hour. And we do expect maybe a very close approach, if not a landfall around the Melbourne, Florida area. But it's probably a very, very close approach, again, if not a landfall. And then we do expect this to start moving more to the northeast and maybe do a same thing there, close approach or a landfall as a strong hurricane, Cat 1 hurricane in North Carolina before moving out to the northern part of the U.S. nearing Canada. So that's what we have in the latest. This could still change. And Florida is under tropical storm watches, and there's now hurricane warnings for parts of the Bahamas. No tropical storm active in the next 5 days for the Eastern Pacific. National Hurricane Center does have 120% area, but nothing really expected there. Same story in the Indian Ocean. Western Pacific is getting a little bit active, but nothing expected to form there. 110% area, 91W, 20% area. Really nothing expected out of any of these locations, and those will probably be gone very soon. So the Western Pacific is remaining extremely quiet. South Pacific, no tropical development expected in the next 5 days there as well. So really our main story here is Tropical Storm Isaias and 93L. Tropical Storm Isaias, though, has been moving over Puerto Rico and now the Dominican Republic, thankfully, or not thankfully, it has not weakened over the Dominican Republic, very surprisingly, and has just further strengthened, probably around 65 miles per hour, if not 70 now. So this is very strengthening a lot quicker than we expected. And we're still going to have to see how much impacts are going to be for the east coast of Florida and for the Bahamas.